Bagus Harja. Sate kambing, why? Kenapa? Sate sapi. Kenapa? Lebih enak dari sate kambing. Lebih enak daripada santai sapi atau gimana?
Oh iya, puasa ya.
Enak aja, oke. Bisa aja, milky kemana kita? What is your favorite food? You like Jeko? Oh, kebalikannya. Oke. Selin Kalina. Dan sama kita. What is your favorite food? Indah Kirani. Why? You like cheese. Okay, Nita Zaskia. What is your favorite? Paris Rashid. Muhammad Ilham Bintang. Itu tolong please wake up. Muhammad Gatang Aska. Goreng. Muhammad Alza. Muhammad Dena. What is it? Digoreng. Mie apa? Muhammad Hamdi Rizky. What is your favorite? Why? Get delicious. What is it? Yes. Nasi kebuli. Why? Yes, delicious. Nafi Ahmad. What is your favorite? Nasi padang. Why? It's delicious. Okay. Naila Fatima. Zahra. What is your favorite food? Ayam geprek. Why? You like spicy. Okay. Quirina Alexandra. What is your favorite food? Okay, you like sweet? Only sweet? You don't like sweet? Okay. You like everything only except sweet? Okay. Nahlan Areza. What is your favorite food? Pecel lele. Why? Because it's delicious. Okay. Rinjani Sarmajun. What is your favorite food? Because of your time. Why? Okay. Technology. What is your favorite? Yes. I am the right boy. I see. Siti Azwa. Siti Namira. Siti Zahra. Yes. You like? Siva Sultana. Nasi goreng Talita Bilkis. Okay, so how is it after you answer my question about food? Are you hungry? Okay, so in the previous week, we have already learned about simple and compound. Who still remembers what is simple and compound? Siapa yang masih ingat about simple and compound? What is simple sentence? It consists of one independent clause. Contohnya, example, these studies. Okay, these studies consist of subject and predicate and verb. This is subject, this is verb or predicate. Okay, this is simple sentence. So simple. And next, what is compound? Compound sentence? Subject. What is compound sentence? Terdiri dari kedua It consists of two independent clauses and dihubungkan dengan conjunction. What is the conjunction? Okay. When I asked you earlier, what is your favorite food and why? You answer with your favorite food because blah blah blah. Do you know what sentence is that? Compound? Complex. Okay. So we are going to learn about complex. Okay. First of all, do you know what is complex sentence? Independent clause and dependent clause. Okay, so today you will learn how to define a complex sentence and then identify the independent and dependent clause and then using subordinate conjunction in a complex sentence. Okay, so Nadi, what is complex sentence? Close. What is close? Santa Claus? Not Santa Claus. Okay, so close. What is close? What is that? Okay, so a clause is a group of words that consists of subject and verb. Is it a clause? Yeah. Is it a clause? Yes. Why? A subject and verb. Where is the subject? She. Where is the verb? She. Okay, the first one. Who wants to read? The independent. Yes, Lisa. Yes, read. Independent. Okay, thank you. And dependent clause? Yes. Okay, do you understand this? Yes. Okay, so for independent clause, it means stand alone. It stands as a complete clause. Jadi kalau independent clause itu, please boys at the back. Boys. Please pay attention. Okay, thank you. So for independent clause, dia itu bisa berdiri sendiri dan membentuk suatu kalimat untuk gagasan yang utuh. Contohnya, he studies, dia belajar. Ini apakah sudah selesai? Belum? Sudah selesai. Kalau he studies, berarti dia berarti lagi belajar. Dia sedang belajar. Oke? Yes, what's the main idea of the sentence? Membentuk kalimat utama dari sebuah kalimat. Strukturnya subject plus verb. Or bisa juga dengan complement, object or adjective or anything. And then for the dependent clause, the difference is kalau dependent clause itu tidak utuh kalimatnya, masih menggantung. Contohnya, I am going to read a book when I get home. Kalau I'm going to read a booknya dihilangkan, when I get home artinya apa? Saat aku pulang, saat aku sampai ke rumah. Berarti itu kan masih menggantung tuh. Misalkan kalian lagi cerita, when I get home, terus diam. Itu kalian menunggu kalimat selanjutnya kan? Kalau aku sudah sampai rumah, diam. Itu kan aneh kan? Nah, itu namanya dependent clause. Itu kalimatnya, clause-nya masih menggantung. Jadi kita butuh independent clause buat membentuk suatu kalimat yang utuh, yang punya makna. Oke, jadi kalau dependent clause always relies on independent clause. Jadi saling independent clause itu membutuhkan independent. Oke, strukturnya it usually starts with subordinating conjunction. Biasanya selalu diawali dengan subordinating conjunction. Contohnya when. Diawali dengan when. Dari conjunction ini ditarik ke sini, namanya dependent. Jadi kalau dari sini ke sini, oke, sini sini, is it clear? Any question? Are you sure? Are you sure? Okay. Example, who wants to identify which one is dependent and independent clause? Yes, please come to the front. Again, who wants to come? Who wants to identify? Yes? Okay, the next one. Siapa? Ini ya. siapa? Ayo, sweet. Kamu aja. Okay, the first one. I will clean my room after I eat my dinner. Artinya, what is the meaning? Okay, where is the conjunction? The dependent clause? The dependent. After I eat my dinner. Okay, the independent one? I will clean my room. Okay, is it correct? Yes. Okay, the next one. I bring my cat to the vet because it doesn't want to eat. What is the meaning?
Aku membawa kucingku ke toilet karena dia tidak mau makan.
Yes, what is vet? Dokter hewan. Okay, which one is the conjunction? Yes, the dependent clause. Okay, so for the dependent itu dari conjunction sampai this is dependent. Because-nya di bawah, conjunction-nya di bawah. Karena dependent clause itu selalu diawali dengan dependent selalu diawali dengan conjunction. Berarti conjunction-nya di bawah buat dependent clause. Okay, dependent clause is yang mana dependent clause? Because it doesn't want to eat. Okay, the independent one.
I bring my cat.
I bring my cat to the vet. Okay, is it correct? Yes. Okay, the next one. When she saw her friend, she smiled. Which one? Independent. She smiled. Okay, the conjunction. The dependent. Okay, sampai sini. Correct. Next. Structure. Okay. Okay, for the structure, untuk penempatan kalimatnya, if the dependent clause is at the beginning of the sentence, we use a comma at the end of the dependent clause. Contohnya, from this example, which one is this dependent clause? From this, it is dependent. Which one is the conjunction? Yes. Not side. Yes. Okay, so it is the dependent. Dependent clause is at the beginning, at the start of the sentence. So we have to put a comma at the end of the dependent clause. Okay, how do we know? How do we know it is the end of the dependent clause? How do we know? Gimana cara tahu kalau itu dependent kali terakhir subjeknya? Okay, so if you want to know where is the end of the dependent clause, if the next word is a subject, berarti sudah masuknya independent clause always starts with a subject. Berarti kalau katanya since it was raining, we itu subjek bukan? Yes. Berarti terakhir dependent clause yang mana? Yes. Dependent. Raining. So terakhir dependent clause raining. Sampai sini, is it clear? We have to use a comma if the dependent clause is at the beginning. Berarti kalau ada conjunction di awal kalimat banget, kita harus pakai comma. Oke, Okay, boys, anyone? Boleh? Nanti baru bagian. Okay, thank you. Next. For the next example, boys who wants to try. Come on. Yes. I forgot your name. What's your name? Hamza. Next. Siapa jadi? Okay, the first one, when the movie ended, everyone clapped. Which one is the independent clause? When the movie ended. And then independent? Everyone clapped. Why is when the movie ended is dependent clause? Because it starts with conjunction. What is the conjunction? Okay, correct? Is it correct? Correct. Yeah, give applause. I can go out unless I finish my homework. Apa tuh artinya? Okay, kalau tidak, biasakan kan. Which one is the dependent? Why is it dependent? Because it has conjunction. Which one? Unless. Okay, the independent one? Okay, give applause for Alda. Next one. Since I got her, sejak aku bertemu dia. Which one is the independent? Here. The independent? I met her. Okay. Give applause for kita. Okay. Next. Who wants to? Siapa yang mau satu lagi? Yang belum. Siapa dulu? Oh, nggak bisa ini. next one. Give applause for Anissa. Okay, the next one. She didn't go to school because she was sick. Which one is the independent? She didn't go to school. Why is it independent? Subject and verb. Which one is the verb? Go. Okay. The dependent one? Because she was sick. Why is it dependent? Conjunction. Mana? Okay. Correct. Okay, suppose okay, sampai sini any question?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Bisa mengidentifikasi mana independent dan dependent?
Bisa.
Ciri-cirinya? Gimana ciri-cirinya? Kalau dependent? Independent? Subject and verb only. Okay. Kalian bisa membedakan kapan kalian akan memberi koma di dalam sebuah conversation? Bisa. Why? Okay. Komanya taruh di mana? Oke, kalau dependent clause-nya di okay, is this clear? Yes. So far so good? Good. Okay, next. Okay, subordinating conjunction. Okay, so subordinating conjunction is used to connect a dependent and independent clause in a conversation. Jadi kalau di compound sentence itu kita pakai subordinating conjunction. If in compound sentence, what conjunction do we use? For. Okay. Apa namanya tuh yang language itu? What is it called? Language. What conjunction is it? Ordinative. Okay. Ordinative. Okay, so for compound sentence, we use coordinating conjunction that consists of for, and, or, it is for compound only. We cannot use this conjunction in complex sentence. Okay, so for complex, we use subordinating conjunction. Yang pertama, the first one is for time. The times. Type 1 is time. Conjunctionnya when, since, not side. Okay, since. Okay, the example. I was reading when she called. Which one is the conjunction?
When.
Okay, which one is dependent?
She called.
Dependent. When she called. Lagi di bawah for dependent. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, the next one cause effects. Sebab kalau sudah bisa reason or alasan. Conjunctionnya? As it was raining, we went inside.
Yes.
Okay. Karena hujan, kita okay, you notice this has since and this has since. Does it have the same meaning?
Yes.
Are you sure?
No.
No, why not? Because? Penempatannya berbeda? Satu lagi ya? Karena that's why give applause for Akila. Yeah, that's right. Okay, for the since in time. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, the next contrast. It connects to contrast ideas. The conjunction is although, even though. Okay. The sentence although it was flat, he kept working. Walaupun dia telat. Telat atau larut di sini? Although it was late, you kept working. Okay, which one is the dependent clause? Udah malam, udah larut berarti, bukan telat. Okay. The dependent one, the independent one? Kept working. Okay, yes. Tadi dipanggil Pak Bran. Okay, the next one, condition or syarat. If and unless. You cannot pass unless you study. Kamu tidak bisa? Kamu tidak bisa? Kecuali kamu belajar. Kalau tidak belajar berarti? The next one, propose or tujuan. Apa artinya saudara? Jadi itu, are you sure? Karena itu, so that or in order that bisa juga supaya atau agar. Karena propose juga. She whispered so that nobody could hear. Dia berisik. Okay, sampai sini is it clear?
Clear.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Okay, next we have. Okay, complete the sentence with the correct conjunction. Who wants to try? Right. Blah blah blah. My phone battery was low. I couldn't open the camera. Rinjani. Mau? Do you want to come? Do you want? The other one. Yang belum aja yang belum. Yes, conjunction. Kamu nak? Jangan nak. Balik tadi Iwan. Boys, do you want to try? Okay, boys, do you want? Boys, come on. They ran in the corridor. Lola, it was against the boys. Come on, boys. They ran in the corridor. Lola, it was against the Okay, the next one. The third one. You can go out and play. Blah blah blah. Okay. The last one. Boys, do you want to try again? Okay, thank you. Okay, first one. Blah blah blah. My phone battery was low. I couldn't open the camera. Sin or red? Red is it correct? Yes. Why? Why yes? Sebab akibat. That's right. Sebab akibat. It should be sebab akibat atau alasan. Okay, kenapa sebab akibat? Karena baterainya habis, jadi buka kamera. So it should be. Okay, benar yang pertama. It should be confident. It should be confident. Okay, okay, the second one. Number 2. They run in corridor alone. Is it correct? Why? Walaupun pelanggaran. Okay, that's right. Although it was bule. Is it correct? Alright. Alright, why correct? Unless. Karena di akhir doa kamu bisa keluar dan kecuali kamu membersihkan kamar. Kalau pakai angus, ya cannot. Harusnya kalau udah aman. Ini nggak bisa keluar. Berarti jadinya ini. Kamu bisa berbuat kalau okay, the next one.
After series Christmas, 15 days.
She went to sleep. Is it correct? Yes. Why? Okay, setelah baca kalau lama-lama dan menunjukkan waktu kalau dia habis baca
Tidur.
okay, is it correct? Okay, the last one. Is it correct? Why? Belum bisa lagi. Rekomen harus di. Okay, sampai sini. Any question?
Yang nomor 3 kalau misalnya sarkastik bisa nggak?
After you want and like after you clean your office.
Yang nomor 1 pakai bebas bisa nggak?
Kita sama.
Yang nomor 1.
Press my phone. Bisa. Karena sin because and as itu maksudnya adalah sebab okay, any question more? No. Okay. Is it clear? Understand?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Okay, so that's it. So what have you learned for today? What have you learned for today? What have you learned? Complex sentence. What is complex sentence? Independent. What is independent clause? And then dependent clause? Dependent clause, what is dependent clause?
Dependent clause clause yang nggak bisa berdiri sendiri.
Okay, and then what are the subordinate projection?
Kata sambung, hubung,